Students, my name is Dr. Gaurav Jain and I am professor in pharmacognosy in IES Institute of Pharmacy. Today we have gathered here in this virtual experiment class to perform morphology of cinnamon. So what is the object of today's performance? To perform morphology of cinnamon. First of all, we will discuss what is morphology. Anything which is rectified by or identified with our organ is called morphology. For example, with eyes we can clarify its color, with nose we can clarify its odor, with tongue we can clarify its taste, and with hands we can clarify its texture or what is called the explanatory nature of fracture and all those things, hardness, softness and all those things. Okay, so today we are going to perform morphology of cinnamon. Okay, now I would like to ask you something, which part of drug it is? The answer is it is the bark. Okay, it is the bark. Here you can see that it is the bark. It is the inner coppiced shoots of Cinnamon zelenicum belonging to family Lauraceae. What is the meaning of coppiced? Coppiced is something when we cut the shoots again and again for the better aim of our bark. So it is the coppiced shoots of Cinnamon zelenicum belonging to family Lauraceae. Okay. Now coming to the geographical source from where we got it and from where we can get it or cultivate it. So apart from India, because this drug is our spice and we took it in our food also for fragrance and for flavoring agent. Apart from it, it is having many medicinal use also. So it is grown everywhere in the world. Main places from where it is grown is Ceylon, Java, Sumatra, West Indies, Brazil and Mauritius and some part of Jamaica. And what are the chemical constituents of it? The main chemical constituent of it is volatile oil. What is volatile oil? It imparts the aromatic nature to the drug. Okay. So main constituent is volatile oil. Near about 10% of the volatile oil is the main constituent of this drug, and 50 to 65% of this volatile oil is cinnamic aldehyde and 10% is eugenol. So main constituent is cinnamic aldehyde, which imparts fragrance to its color. If you will perform some chemical test, so you can take 3 or 4 drops of this volatile oil, add alcohol to it, and it will give you pale green color. So there is no problem if it is in the form of liquid also. Then with the help of fragrance and with the help of this chemical test also, you can identify it very easily. Now coming to the major part of the practical, that is morphology. So here we have got some pieces of drug. This is what is the bark of cinnamon. As you can see that this is dull yellow color from outside, and from inside you can see that is light yellowish brown color. Okay, if we smell it, it is fragrant in smell, its odor is fragrant, and shape is compound quilled. Compound is what? Actually this drug is broken, otherwise it is somewhat compound like this. I will draw it and show it to you. Compound means like this. Okay, so the drug which is formed quilled. Okay, now coming to the uses of it, it is having variety of uses. Its main use is flavoring agent, it is carminative, it is analgesic, it is antiseptic, it is spasmodic, it is digestive, it's demulcent, it's expectorant, it is used as stomachic, it is antibacterial, and it's antifungal also. So it has variety of uses in it, and it is one of the most important medicine we can get from our kitchen also. Okay friends, if you will get this drug somewhere, then can you identify it? It's very easy based on the morphological characteristics, based on its volatility or aroma, and based on the chemical test you can easily identify it. Okay, thank you.